Hello everyone, welcome back to FX 20 Pips. Today is the Monday, 23rd of January, 2:36 a.m. GMT plus 8 my time, and I am currently looking at the GBPUSD on a weekly chart. So basically, what I'm doing now is doing this weekly analysis for GBP USD, okay, for the following Monday all the way to Friday. All right. Now we are at the GBP USD weekly chart, and without being too complicated, we can basically see that price drops down here, and then it is now retracing up here. Okay, and there is a resistance here where the price drop off and then immediately get bounced off, and we are now back to around the same area. Now, what are we expecting for the coming week? Now, the thing we have to take note is this rejection week of this area. Then we have a strong bullish follow through, and then we have another strong bullish follow through candle, and we are now at this double top area that I highlighted there. Okay, so this coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if the price can maintain a bullish follow through, okay, to close above this high here, then we can safely aim for higher targets for GBP USD. Right. Now, the next thing I want to show you is to draw a fib. Okay. Again, without too much of a complication, we know that price comes down here, bounces up, and then drops here and bounces up. All right. So let's draw a fib from top here to here. Okay. You can see that this is 61.8% that price is trying to break above. All right. So I'm not going to go too much into this fib. All right. I'm just going to look at the candle itself. Um, I also drew some trend lines. Not this one. Nope. Not these two. It should be. There we go. Lines. Yeah. Yep. So basically, we can see that yeah, we have the trend line touching, starting from here, touching 1, 2. Okay, so maybe price is trying to touch here again. All right, and we also have starting here, bounces off here, and maybe it's trying to go up there. All right, we can also look at the channel. Let's look at the channel. This is too small. Yep. Okay. So on the higher time frame back to 2011, basically it's pretty obvious that price is going down. Yeah, because the channel is sloping downwards. Okay, now price had bounced off the bottom of the channel. Now it's reaching the midpoint of the channel. All right. So again, looking at the previous, the very near previous would be this one. where price shot up, okay, and come back down again. All right, so hopefully this will be the same thing, short a bit and go up there. All right, what else can we see? Yep, let me zoom in. So just by looking at this bullish leg, it is still in the uptrend channel. All right, not too worried about all these overshoot here or here. Now, I mean, we don't want to be too particular about every candle thing, but in a general idea is that, you know, candle is bounded by here, 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 okay, overshoot here, bounded by here, overshoot here, you know, it's climbing here. All right, so it's in this bullish leg currently. Right. Let me remove the channel. All right, we can look at the some major resistance. Okay, so we have here. Okay, the double top is here on the 14th of December at 1.24465 level. Okay, if price were to hopefully close above here, okay, the next resistance would be uh, around here. Okay, if price were to close above this figure, then should expect price to slowly go up to this resistance. Okay, which is here 1.26669. All right, you can see that last week the candle never closed above 1.24. All right, so the round figure 1.24000. The price need to close above it, okay, in order for it to go higher. Okay. We can also look at some interesting lines like the inside bar, okay, inside bar of the weekly candle. Now let me see. Okay, weekly. I have through this weekly candle. So basically, the top of this candle, all right, and the bottom of this candle, all right. You see for the previous weekly candles, none of it close above or below. Okay, all the candles are inside here, except for last week where the price actually closed above the weekly high. All right, let's like what I said earlier on. I want to see a bullish continuation. Okay, to give me more confidence to further buy into GBPUSD. Okay, for myself. Right. Yeah. So this is the weekly chart analysis. Um, let's look at the daily chart. Okay. Now you can see that previously, um, when it reached this point, okay, the reaction was a very big bearish candle. Okay, very big bearish candle that goes down. All right. Now, last week when it reached the same point, okay, even though there was a wick that goes down, the candle still closed bullish. Okay, then based on the daily, there was a bullish continuation, and then we ended up with a dodgy candle. Even though this dodgy candle is thin, but you have to note that it actually closed on the top side, okay, of the candle. All right. So what I also want to see based on the daily is that for the next few days, hopefully the candle can close outside here, okay? Because this is the daily candle. These are all the inside bar. So hopefully Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, one of these days is going to close outside and then with a continuation. Okay, so you can see that everything looks like the same. All right, weekly I want to see continuous bullish candle. Daily I will just see the same thing. All right. What are some of the things that will affect or will propel the price to give us more confidence? Is I think there is a US GDP. Okay, next week. All right. So look at your economic calendar. Okay, if the GDP is returns a favorable figures for GBP, then hopefully with a higher probability, GBP USD should go up. All right. Let's not speculate on the figures. Let's again just concentrate on the candles and how it represent to us. Okay, but even though we don't speculate too much on it, but we need to know that there's a US news coming next week. All right. What else can I show you? Because this is a weekly analysis, I don't want to go too low of the time frame. Okay, the lower time frame is been done on the pre-London, which I try to create a video daily. Okay. Yeah. So basically, again, we are reaching a double top. Okay, and if the price were to fail this double top, okay, because usually people will say that there's a double top, and if the price break the neckline, then price will keep going down. Okay, but with the US economy slowing down and with the GDP figures coming out, all right, this double top might fail and price might go up from here. We shall see. We shall see what's this week bring us. The following week we also have FOMC. All right, so price might want to get to a certain level before FOMC. All right, and yeah, I'll think that there's a higher probability of price going up and then price range. Okay, and then FOMC, depending on the interest rates. There was I think 90+% is that the interest is going to be increased on a quarter point, 0.25. Okay, and if Powell is to speak and say about some good news for the US, then price might drop. Okay, if it says something bad about the US, then price will go up. All right. So anyway, that's all for today. And please wait, and I will share with you the pre-London analysis on Monday. Thank you.